Hi, my name is Himadeep. I am from Industrial and Systems Engineering Department. I am a dual degree student at the department. I have been offered a business analyst role at Citigroup. Some things I would like to highlight some points of my CV. My CGPA was 9.1. I was the department rank 1 of Industrial and Systems Engineering Department. I had two relevant publications in regard to data analytics, and also have some projects at some foreign institutions with respect to business analyst profile. Apart from this, I also hold a position of responsibility as the coordinator of optimization lab. SAS was taught during this lab, and SAS was a core requirement for this role at Citigroup. So, as far as the preparation goes, firstly, I would like to say that you should concentrate more on your CV defense. Uh, First thing, prepare a CV which is good enough. Check the formatting, check it twice, thrice, get it printed, again check it. Is it okay on the A4 sheet? Uh, Make sure that everything is fine with the format. After that, I would like to first suggest you to go for CV defense, because that's the most important thing, and that is what you'll be grilled upon during the interview, and that's the basic round, which is the elimination round. So once you're through the elimination round, then you'll be either asked about your data analytics part if you're applying for such roles, or you'll be asked about some basic aptitude questions. Aptitude questions can be probability statistics questions, or some puzzles, or even they can ask you some case studies or guesstimates if it's relevant for your business analyst role. So this is what you can expect broadly. And once you clear this round, then you'll go for a HR round, where you'll be asked some basic questions like, tell me about yourself, your family background, your strength, your weakness, and some questions like, what are your accomplishments, when did you fail, and how did you overcome, and things like that. These are the basic things which you can expect, and you should not miss upon these, and you should definitely prepare all these properly. And during the interview, what you can expect is, again, the first round will be basic grilling of your CV. You need to know each and every point of your CV, how the data is like, what did you do, where did you implement it, if you are using some code, what are the libraries in it, or what kind of analysis did you do, how did you clean the data, such kind of things in the first round. This is the elimination round mostly. Second round will be mostly they'll be judging your aptitude, basic probability questions. What is the probability of getting two heads in three trials, or maybe some dice questions, something like that, and even some puzzles, a Monty Hall problem or something like that. So you should be properly prepared about them. Maybe I'll suggest you to prepare How to Ace Brain Teasers by Tata McGraw for this. And after this, I think you'll be having one more round if required. That would be mostly based on your technical round. So it will be having you'll be having some discussions regarding the algorithms, and some basic math and assumptions which you have taken for different algorithms. Uh, then again, HR round. HR round is a simple round. HR round is basically of two types. The first one is they need you, and they're just taking you it for as a complimentary thing, just to take it. Otherwise, it would be a deciding factor to get what profile you need and what location you are interested in. So I would expect you to be as diplomatic as possible in this, and even the company guys expect the same. And also, just don't do anything wrong in the HR interview, because that can land you anywhere else, and will keep you away from the offer. So, leaving advice is, just know what you're good at, be well aware of what you're good at, prepare for it, go for that profile, and get someone to pay for it. So, that is my leaving advice. So, I don't think you need to be worried about it. There will be days where you'll get restless as the days increase, but I think it is worth it. You must definitely go for it, and you must give your best. Stay confident, stay cool, and all that matters is a single interview. So I think this is the advice which I give you.